Hi, I'm Kristina Reardon, and I'm a Fulbright Fellow here in Ljubljana, Slovenia this year from 2010 to 2011. My field of focus is translation and interpretation. I've been working on translating short stories written by Slovenian women writers in the past 20 years to English. I've been very grateful to have the assistance of a number of Slovenian students who have been working with me as co-translators as they help me figure out what the stories are saying when the language is too difficult for me to understand. My mother is from Slovenia. My whole family on my mother's side is still in the country, so that initially drove me to apply for the Fulbright here. I first came to Slovenia in 2009 for a 4-week summer class in language. It was then that I made contact with the translation department at the Filozofska fakulteta at the University of Ljubljana. That is a department under which I'm working, and I have been grateful also to take classes with the department, sort of auditing them. I've also been studying Slovenian at the Center for Slovene, and I hope that I've made some good progress this year in my language skills. That certainly helps with the translation. My biggest goal in translating Slovenian literature is to bring stories that English speakers around the world, but particularly in the US, haven't heard before to the publishing market. Although not very many Slovenian short stories or novels have been brought to the English market, most of them that have been by male writers. So my particular focus is in looking at female writers and reading their stories and bringing them to English. My ultimate goal is to publish an anthology of writing written by women, of short stories rather, written by women over the past 20 years. Ideally this could be bilingual, as there are not a lot of bilingual books out there, and it could be something that would let the American or British English-speaking reading public see what Slovenian women writers are writing, while also maybe giving students of Slovene the opportunity to look at both the English and the Slovenian texts side by side. In that way, I hope that my project contributes to the cross-cultural understanding that Fulbright promotes through its program.